Hello everyone and welcome to the App Inventor quick demo guide titled Overview of Block View. So to get started, I'm actually in Design View just to put some things on my screen. Basically I have a button that says Next on it and it's titled Next Button. And then I have an image which is a picture of an iPhone, which right now is called Image 1, but let's just call it, let's say My Image. Okay. So now I've renamed these, and it's really important to do this in Design View because when you get over to Blocks View, I'll go ahead and click Blocks View to get over here. When you get into Blocks View, it can be a little bit harder to remember what block was which block. So now down here under Screen 1, I have Next Button and I have My Image, and if I click them, I can see all of the blocks that are associated with that component. So I have this component of this button, and if I click this when I'm in Blocks View, I can see all of the different actions, behaviors, algorithms that pertain to that button. And if I see one that I like, when next button dot click, this is just a block to fire or execute or run when the next button is clicked. So when it's clicked, when my app is being used, everything that is in here, I haven't put anything in there yet, but everything that will be in there will happen. It will run. It will. The algorithm will actually run top to bottom, and I could just stack all these blocks in to where this block is actually longer, and it will do all of those things when the next button is clicked. Similarly, I have an image, and I could say, set my image dot picture, which was the property that actually says what uploaded picture to point to load into the image component, because remember the image component is just a holder that is linked to a file that you upload. So those are your blocks and the blocks that have to do with your components. But I'm going to minimize that for now because we're about to talk about built-in blocks. Sorry. You have all of these blocks that are built in, and these are just all of the algorithms and procedures and things that can happen that are built in, notably like an if-then block. If I pull this out, then I have if, and then I want to attach something here, and it would test to see if that thing was true. And if that thing was true, then it would do everything down here. Very similar to the when next button dot click block. And then there's some logic. There's if true will always be true, but I could put something else maybe. I have a random integer block, so I could do that. There's text blocks, which this is just a text field where I can say, I can just type hello. And then this block represents the text hello. Or I could go to math and I could grab a number block, where this block now represents the number 99. And I can do all sorts of things with these built-in blocks that are built in right into App Inventor. As well as working with the components that I placed on the screen. If I want to delete any blocks, I just drag it all the way down here to the trash can, And that's how I get rid of them, and I can unlink blocks that are already linked just by grabbing that one. And down in the bottom left, this is new with App Inventor 2, it shows you the warnings. And if I click Show Warnings, it shows me which blocks have a warning, which blocks have an issue. It says this block should be connected to an event block or a procedure definition. And that'll all make sense in a little bit. But basically, I can't run my app right now because this doesn't do anything. It's just a number that says 99. I would need to attach it to some other blocks to make it do something, because it has this little nub right here. It needs to be attached to like somewhere like this. It won't connect, but that's kind of the look of what would happen. But I'm just going to erase all of my blocks right now, just like that. And that is the blocks view. Thanks for watching.